cumudul dah keselam. Kan orang kena serai. Kau gangam lut barak sepok kendau.
Lo ayap tu meh. Memang isu dah.
Iding buon Pak cakap sana mah. Atrai di penting naik kibriyo sasar. Kibriyo le mentah kithiat taman yok lom centiam.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Myntri ka sarkar jala bakhmi ya khatanat ka Koit ka Khiah ba wailan miki shla ha ka arp sautrek rampang arja phunreu laithu baki Doktor ki Duna bha ha ki PHC bat ki CHC ki badan ha kalang ka jala barokawe ha ka jiangkaran bat ki lat pathai kubor hadien bala wa ka jialang kan hun Myntri ba shla laithu ha ka baidai bat ka jingkano bamdan Doktor ha CHC Mauyong ha ka si bala penket UMP ka Shillong constituency Dr. Ricky Andrew John Singkon hadien ula kelon kesan ha ka madan yele ka futsal ha ka khat khandai terik rempang arja punreo ka kaiphat ka bala yo na ka jingtok ket ka pau ba tang hapo san ne nyo minute ka EMRI 108 kala yo priang ya ka phone call henry tang hapo khendiat minute la pentep ba yo Dr. Singkon la penkit hino da ka kali shimen la ongru ba namar ba ki nonglej wa jing sumar ha kani CC ka Duna bha namar ba ka shnong mawyong kam da changai than nasor kumta ha kani ka janmiet Dr. ru omshem la don chu hapo ka hospital na ki daw ki bamla kyar shushu la pentep ru ba ka tanat ka Koit ka Khiah dangshan kala yo ya ka jingmenjor na ka tanat platingka banthung kam kontrak kumba shispa sanphongot ki Doktor ki bantre ha ki PHC bat ha ki CHC.
See, like I already mentioned, the problem is that because there are very less doctors who come forward. No doubt during recruitment they come forward, they attend the recruitment, but when we send them for posting, many of them doesn't turn up. So that is the
generally we have a shortage of doctors. That's why the now Shillong Medical College has come up. So with that, actually, we are going to have more additional doctors. 50 doctors are coming out. So we will. I think it's over a period of time. This will be resolved. But we are also expanding the facilities. So in fact, we have many PHCs with single doctor.
As you can see today, that we have already started the first batch of the Shillong Medical College, 15 numbers of them, and then even the Perno Sangma, this International Medical College. From there also we'll get many numbers of doctors, and hopefully that everything goes well. That by next session, Tura Medical College will come up. So we'll get quite a number of doctors. So I think in the coming years we'll be able to solve the shortage of doctors. And the tender we call right now, many of the tenders are for the construction of the doctor and nurses quarter, whether new construction or whether it is renovation and all that. So we are focusing side by side, but as you know that all the things cannot be done at one go. So but from the government side, we are trying our level best that we'll be able to address this issue one by one. Through the media, I like to inform that we have got the sanction from finance to recruit another 150 doctors on contractual basis. So very soon we are conducting the recruitment.
So another concern here is also the delay of the arrival of the ambulance. Why is it that, because this is not the first incident where we're hearing that ambulance always tend to, they're not easily accessible. So how is the department looking at this?
I don't know about the other cases, but particularly for this case, I would like to also inform you that according to the record, because we send we inquire regarding that particular thing also, but according to the report which we are getting, that in a matter of 5 to 7 minutes, this 108 got a call, and then after a few minutes they were again got a call that no, we already taken the private car and shifting him. So you do realize that, because I think because of the emergency of the situation at that time, so it seemed they have not wait, because but that was I think only the duration between 5 to 7 minutes.
Don't you think that after 4 o'clock there should have been one doctor in the PHC?
No, definitely, like I already mentioned, as you know that CAC was supposed to be 24/7, doctors should be available, but due to the unavoidable circumstances, and then like I already mentioned, because we are in shortage of doctors.
And CHC Mavyong also, where actually, because it's closer to the city, in fact the footfall is very low. In fact IPD is almost like a zero in many days actually. So that's where actually doctors, when we do the redeployment, in fact there was also a discussion that some part of the CSC can be used for the, in fact, addiction center, de-addiction center. In fact, a discussion is happening with the local.
I have on record also that in the past also during our former health minister, she has already called a meeting on the 29th of May 2025, but like requesting the local Dorbar of that area that to allow that, because this CSC is underutilized, so that's why if they allowed to use it at the addiction center, so that was on the discussion. It was under discussion.
What make the government to take so long time to fulfill this, or the vacancy of the director?
See, like I already mentioned, the problem is that because there are very less doctors who come forward. No doubt during recruitment they come forward, they attend the recruitment, but when we send them for posting, many of them doesn't turn up. So that is the
generally we have a shortage of doctors. That's why the now Shillong Medical College has come up. So with that, actually, we are going to have more additional doctors. 50 doctors are coming up. So we will. I think it's over a period of time. This will be resolved. But we are also expanding the facilities. So in fact, we have many PHCs with single doctor.
That was the challenge since from the past. So that's why I mean, like even now also you do realize that we have recently, I think with God's grace, we could start the Shillong Medical College. Yes. That also we inspired, and then most of the faculty we have used the in-service. The in-service doctor we have to bring. And at the same time, we realize the importance that right now we need to have a medical college. So I think all these things right now we are facing. If there was a medical college, I'm not here to blame anyone or point finger to anybody, but I think if the medical college would have been there 10 years ago, then I think the situation would have been different.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go! Coming. How much you honk, yeah? Come on, we should leave. Chill. It's just family. Exactly. Or ghar wale hi late. By the way, how am I looking? Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. Sab aa gaya. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ. क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. लेट्स गो गाइस, पार्टी टाइम. Skoda.